Looking for your dream car? It could be the 2020 Chevrolet Trax. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 35,000 miles on the odometer. The Chevrolet Trax, the compact SUV that lets you navigate the urban landscape with efficiency and sporty style. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, keyless start, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, intermittent wipers, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, wheel locks, power steering. Feel light and nimble in the city-savvy Trax. Come in for a test drive today.